Hey Alexandria, I heard you have lingering cough. What I would do if I had one, I would take 1 drop of Peraclans because it has oregano and clove. It would create an environment because neem is known to create an environment so that all those bad bacteria can't actually function properly. So I would have it in raw, unfiltered honey. I would take like a half a spoon, tablespoon or teaspoon of unfiltered raw honey. Add just 1 drop, less is more, 1 drop of Peraclans, and take it for like 2 or 3 days, twice a day. And I bet you'll come and thank me.